Okay, now we're starting. We're gonna do basketball tricks. Yo! Get out the way. You made that?
Yeah, he did.
Okay, we'll start off. Hey, Johnny, hold the phone. I'll go first. Better not drop it, I swear to God. Sure, you could do that. That's easy.
No, look. I'm gonna shoot it from here. I'll put it. No, I'm gonna shoot it from here. All the way over there.
There's no way you're gonna make that. You made it like 2 times today. Go shoot.
Oh,
Bro, I thought it was gonna be an air ball. Here. You missed. And you're better than me at this.
right, I saved your ball.
Give me.
Ow.
Give me.
Wait, what? What the hell did you say?
Stop saying that word. Catch. Nah, bro. You swear to God. Okay. Bro, you airballed that. That's why I never let you use my ball. It went under the truck. Yo, it looks like the truck ate it. Oh, shit! Run! Last time we got scared because of that, we started running.
The truck alarm went on.
Oh my God, that was so scary. We didn't.
Papi, la camioneta.
Holy shit.
The hell happened?
We hit the...
Yeah. Oh shit, guys. What the hell?
Stop, man. You're always saying that thing.
What the hell? Hey, look.
That's why I'm never going to let you go on my YouTube video ever again. You suck.
Look, when you think it's on, press the lock. Look, press this lock when it's on.
Oh my God. You little cook. Oh my God. Paco. Oh, Paco. Yo, Paco. Okay, let's go. Back to what we were doing until somebody freaking hit the car and now everything ruined. Okay, it was my turn, right? Oh, it was your turn, I think.
It was Johnny's turn. Yeah, it was
Go. Oh. Okay, here, Johnny.
Look at that. Cool. Man, there's a little water.
No, bro, you suck. That thing is
I didn't even get it.
What are you gonna do?
A windmill layup.
He's gonna do a wingmill layup. Oh, Junior, do it again. Do it again.
Why?
Hit the post.
Hey, Junior, wait, look. Do it again, because by accident I tilted. I tilted that way towards the car.
Okay.
What is that? Guy, he's gonna do it again. Oh, he made it! Woo! Another one. Oh, you missed that.
Hey guys, you can just make it here. Guys, you can just make it here.
I'm gonna just try from here again.
Wait.
Touch the top.
I want to end out the video. I know how to end out the video. No, I know how to end out the video. We're not going to shoot or anything. I know how to end it off. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this. Hold this.
Mikey, let him cross you. You better not let him cross you, I meant.
Don't do it like
Ready, my turn. This kid right here sucks. Not the big one, the little one. Here, don't point it at me. Don't point it at me yet.
Oh God. Go.
I'm gonna cross the freak out of him.
Mikey, come on, try. Try not to let him cross you over. I told you he's better than me. I don't even know how you do that. I did it on him. And he crossed it over like nothing. Are you okay? Help him up, bro. Okay, we're gonna end off the video here. And end it off with a shot. Okay. See you later.